So in 2000 and I think it was 15. Yeah, I think 15 or 16. I was just going through. I mean, I was just checking few things on internet about which NGO is doing what and all, and then that's how I happened to. Um, that's how I got to know about Rubaru. I got in touch with someone in Prava, and that person told me that there's a organization which is working around this and so on. So that's how. And then I went to the website and started checking what kind of work does Rubaru do, and so on. And then I
What is
decided to be a
Rubaru to
part of it.
me?
Actually, Rubaru was the first ever organization which I got to know, and which helped me to understand a lot of things which I just knew things at a very surface level. Maybe I did not even know that, but to me, Rubaru is a organization that actually opened doors to understanding various things, myself and social issues, and not just social issues, but like the connection that I could make. Um, I mean, the non-judgmental space. These are the things which are few words that comes to my mind, and that's what I took to the. I mean, the next step, whichever I took after that in my life was. I mean, I always. It's a special organization for me because I just started off. Uh, I just started off my journey with Rubaru, so yeah, that's what it reminds me of. A space where we all understand each other. Yeah,
So, yeah, the
that's
question
what I
says,
think.
according to you, how Rubaru should celebrate birthday? I think one line that actually reminds me of Rubaru is Chai Pe Charcha. So, I think is bar Chai Pe Charcha or celebration, so then it becomes CCC. So, yeah, that way maybe it can be
So
celebrated.
my touch base with Rubaru happened. I think it was through Facebook way back in 2015 when I moved to Hyderabad. I just left a message on Facebook saying that I am in Hyderabad and I'm looking forward to meet like-minded people, looking forward to work. So just general message. And I think a very big credit of this goes to Neha Butch from Prava, who introduced me to Neha Swai and Monisha, and the rest, as they say, is history. I think और सबसे interesting story ये है, which I tell everybody every time I introduce Rubaru, is that Rubaru का office जो सोमाजी गोड़ा में था वो मेरी वजह से था. So this story has been coming along with me for the last 6 years, and Rubaru has been the safest place for me. It's a very non-judgmental and the most comfortable space that I've had in the last 6 years. Um, yeah, it's home to me now, and I just wish I was there in Hyderabad. Been really missing each and every one of you um, in Rubaru, and I just wish we were all there together to celebrate this day. Thank you so much, and happy birthday, Rubaru!
Flashback October 2017, the month I got introduced to Rubaru. A normal day, my English lecturer comes up to me and says, "You know what, there's an opportunity coming up. It's an interfaith program." And I said, "Wow, that's something I would love to do." Turns out it was Agaz Debachi 2017 by Rubaru, and stepped into this not knowing anything, and now it's 4 years and I've been part of almost everything from Rubaru. And for me, I would say Rubaru is a family. It's a place where I loved being myself. I explored. It was a journey of growth, and I'll always cherish that in my life. I mean, and now Rubaru, since it has turned 7, I mean, 7, forget the number. It's made a difference in countless lives. I mean, I cannot think of, I can't be less thankful of Rubaru here. So I would say, you know what, let's just keep it rolling. Yeah.
Rubaru, congratulations Rubaru, finally 7-year-old boy and girl birthday. और बात करते हैं कि रूबरू के साथ मेरा कैसा इंट्रोडक्शंस रहा था वो मानू के अंदर यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर जब रूबरू आई थी तो उसमें मैंने उसको पार्टिसिपेट किया था जिसमें रूबरू में जेंडर रहा था और वहाँ पर हमने जेंडर इक्वालिटी के बारे में सीखा और वही था तभी मैंने जब मैंने बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन कहा तो उसमें मैंने बॉय एंड गर्ल दोनों कहा था कि जेंडर इक्वालिटी रहे। उसके साथ साथ मैं 2018 में यूथ गेम चैम्पियन रहा था, जिसमें हमने दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करी थी, हारमोनी पर हमने काम किया था। उसके साथ साथ फिर 2020 में रूबरू दिल्ली आया, यहाँ पर उन्होंने इंटरफेथ हारमोनी पर काफ़ी अच्छे प्रभाव के साथ और अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम किया, और उसमें हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो अभी इस्टेब्लिश हुई थी हमारे 2019 में, एसोसिएशन फॉर होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, उसके साथ हमारा अच्छा कोलेब्रेशन रहा था, और उसमें हमने जामा यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर सेलिब्रेट किया था। बस इतना ही, और मैं रूबरू को कहूँगी वो आगे भी ग्रोथ करे और हमारे साथ फ्यूचर में वो ज़रूर कोलेब्रेशन करें। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, टाटा, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन रूबरू, बाय बाय।
Hi, happy 7 years, Rubaru. This is Lou, and I got to know Rubaru through Global Citizen Year when I was spending some time in India. And just working with you just totally changed my whole experience. I feel like Rubaru means face to face to me, like literally, because I got to know so many people that I would have had, and just I learned so much. But especially I learned that like you can always find something in common with people that look different from you and like come from different places, and I carried that with me, just like coming and have like meaningful real conversations with people and getting to know them just like get you closer to them and makes you feel more, I don't know, part of something. And I definitely felt part of Rubaru. It changed the way I see myself as a young person as well. And I miss you all so much. I wish I was celebrating with you, drinking some good chai and eating biscuits. Bye!
हेलो जी, सबसे पहले तो बहुत 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 सारी शुभकामनाएं सारी की सारी रूबरू टीम को। और रूबरू के बारे में अगर मैं कहूँ तो शायद रूबरू मेरी दोस्ती 2012-13 या 13-14 के आसपास स्टार्ट हो गई थी, जब नेहा, मोनिशा, मैं, हम सभी चेंज रूम फेलो थे और सीख रहे थे कि युवाओं के साथ कैसे काम करना है और संस्थाएं कैसे चलानी है। उसके बाद दोस्ती हमारी तब आगे बढ़ी जब हमने साथ में मिलकर अंबरपेट कम्युनिटी में एक वायरसी सेटअप करने का प्लान किया और साथ में डिज़ाइन किया सब कुछ, तो वो प्रोसेस का हिस्सा बने, तो वो और मज़ेदार रहा। और अभी मैं कह सकता हूँ कि रूबरू और मेरे लिए मेरी दोस्त की तरह है, जिनसे मैं सीखता भी हूँ, जिनसे मैं झगड़ता भी हूँ। झगड़ता तो नहीं, थोड़ी बहुत नेगोशिएशंस होती है, बातचीत होती है। सो यस, तो रूबरू मेरे लिए मेरे दोस्त की तरह है और हमारी एक अच्छी खासी दोस्ती चल रही है, हम लोग मज़े कर रहे हैं साथ में। और अबाउट सेलिब्रेशन तो मुझे लगता है कि रूबरू ना डेली सेलिब्रेट करता है, हर मोमेंट को सेलिब्रेट करता है, हर रोज़ हर मॉर्निंग को सेलिब्रेट करता है। तो रूबरू को एक दिन सेलिब्रेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, रूबरू हमेशा हर मोमेंट को सेलिब्रेट करता है और दूसरों को सिखाता भी है। जितना भी मैं आपको सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलो करता हूँ तो मैं यही सीखता हूँ आपसे कि कैसे आप अपने आप को, अपने आसपास के एनवायरनमेंट को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और क्या कर सकते हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच। और मैं इंस्पायर होता हूँ आप लोगों से और मैं सीखता हूँ और ये जर्नी, ये दोस्ती बनी रहेगी। तो थैंक यू सो मच।
भाई पहली बात तो रूबरू का इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं था, रूबरू का नाम पहले कुछ और था, तो प्रभा कुछ करके था, मैं भी भूल रहा हूँ। तो पहली बात तो इसका नाम चेंज हुआ है, तो उस जर्नी के साथ हूँ मैं। और नेहा और मोनिशा मेरे चेंज रूम पार्टनर थे। रूबरू मेरे लिए आई थिंक मोनिशा और नेहा हैं, आई लव देम अ लॉट, तो मेरे लिए तो वही है। और आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी बिग लर्निंग स्पेस, जिस तरीके से पूरा सिस्टमेटिकली अरेंज किया है इन्होंने, अमेजिंग है। मैं बहुत कुछ सीखता हूँ यहाँ बैठे बैठे। मैं हैदराबाद में पहुँच जाता हूँ कई बार व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के माध्यम से। रूबरू को बर्थडे इस तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए कि वो लोग फिर से सोचें कि उनका विजन मिशन क्या है और उसको फिर से री इन्वेंट करें. आई थिंक वो बहुत दिन हो गए होंगे नहीं तो वो चेंज किए हुए.
Happy birthday, Rubaru. I got introduced to Rubaru 2 years back through my current organization, United Way of Hyderabad. I found the concept of Rubaru very unique, and I feel this is the place where youth can nurture their hobbies and choose a right path for their careers. And this is one thing I always thought about Rubaru, and I think Rubaru should always celebrate its birthday in a very unique way, and also at the same time convey a message to youth which they can remember lifelong and follow too. And
Hi everyone, my name is Chinmay and I'm working with Prava as an associate consultant. So I got to know about Rubaru through Nishant and Amar at Smile internship in 2017 in Winter's batch, and I don't know, somehow I just felt from inside that I'll be meeting them soon, and here I am in Hyderabad. So Rubaru for me, by meeting Amar and Nishant, for me it means friendship beyond boundaries and making good relationships, and also continuing that relationship throughout your life. And also now meeting Rashmi, I can actually reflect, I can see Rubaru in her, the warmth she gave me in this place, she gave me, which was very friendly and very loving and caring. So yeah. And how should Rubaru celebrate its birthday? I guess the Rubaru team should meet, have a get together and just celebrate the space that they have created. So yeah, thank you so much Rubaru for giving me a space and welcoming to Hyderabad. So yeah, thank you so much and happy birthday to you. Yay. Happy 7th birthday.
Hey, all you lovely people at Rubaru. This is your friend Subbu from Learning Curve. I know you're celebrating your 7th birthday, so I thought I'll sort of share a few things. I think I met Neha from Rubaru quite a few years ago, 2016, at a Gap event in Ahmedabad, and I was just absolutely sort of taken aback and mesmerized by all her energy and whatever she brings to the table. Rubaru is like a celebration. I think it's a celebration of youth, it's a celebration of joy, and it's a celebration of gratitude. And you know what I think you should do when you celebrate your birthday? I think you should bring everybody together. You should bring families together. You should bring all your sort of youth together, and just sit back, reminisce about all the good times, look at all the great times ahead, and absolutely enjoy that 7th birthday. So enjoy and have a great time. Bye.
Hi, I was introduced to Rubaru by my friend Alifia. Rubaru has been my opportunity door. It has helped me grow professionally and personally. So I got to know that Rubaru is turning 7 tomorrow. Wow, 7 is a long way, and of course there's a longer way to go. But I'm sure that in the past 1 year there must have been a lot of happy moments, sad moments, just missed moments, or joyous, yes, we got it moments. So on this birthday, maybe everyone could share their own experience of Rubaru and their joyous moments, whatever they felt in the past 1 year. And birthdays are never complete without cake, so cake cutting, yay!
Hello. So I came across Rubaru via Neha. She's the co founder, and she was looking for mentors, whereas I was looking for an NGO that I could support. For me, when I interacted with them, it seemed more like a nurturing family. Rubaru gives that platform to the future children of India to grow, to bring the change that we want to see in the society. So I feel that Rubaru is more like a nurturing family because that's exactly what families do for their children as well. How Rubaru should celebrate their birthdays? I think Rubaru should propagate the successes of all their change makers and have a great party and a bash. So have a happy birthday. Bye.
आदाब, मैं तौफीक नदीम, साल 2017 में रूबरू का यूथ चैम्पियन। मैं आप सभी को रूबरू की 7वीं सालगिरह पे मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। मैं बतौर यूथ चैम्पियन 2017 में रूबरू से जुड़ा। इसका मौजू था इंटरफेथ कल्चर एंड डाइवर्सिटी। रूबरू मेरे लिए एक सेफ स्पेस है जहाँ पे मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी के वाक़यात, ज़िंदगी के हालात बेझिझक शेयर कर सकता हूँ बिना किसी स्टेरियोटाइप। मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि हर साल की तरह इस साल भी रूबरू नौजवानों के लिए एक नए जोश के साथ नए नए प्लेटफॉर्म का इनकाद करें इंशाअल्लाह। एक बार फिर से मैं आप सभी को रूबरू की 7वीं सालगिरह पर मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
How are you all? Hope everyone are doing well. So coming to the first question, I came to know about Rubaru from our honorable CEO ma'am Monisha ji. When she came to my college, I came to know everything about Rubaru and the activities and social action projects, etc. So since then I was with Rubaru. Coming to second question, Rubaru is like a place where I can find a very good friends with non-judgmental nature and a place with positive vibes, encouraging friends, encouraging people right over there. So in one word, it's like a temple for me. And coming to the third question, Rubaru must celebrate its birthday with a new initiative which helps a lot of youth out of that particular project. And I wish it should come up with one new good initiative. Yes, thank you.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. Well, I am Vaishnavi and I am introduced to Rubaru by my professor Bangla Bharati ma'am. And when it comes to learning, I learned a lot of things like overcoming my stage fear and improving my skills and etc. And Rubaru should celebrate its birthday with lots of enthusiasm, happiness and with more youth. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
I came to know about Rubaru when I was in degree second year. My English lecturer came to me and asked me to join, and I did not have any idea about Rubaru, but I still joined. And I'm very proud to say that I was the first batch of Ghazi Bachit in Rubaru, and I had a great time. And according to me, Rubaru is another family where I can share my feelings and I can approach them anytime I want. And I think this time they should bring all of the volunteers together to celebrate Rubaru's 7th birthday, because I miss them a lot. It would be a great experience again to see them all. Thank you and happy birthday, Rubaru.
Happy birthday, Rubaru. It's been 7 years that I I'm so excited for this birthday. So I got to know about Rubru in 2017. Like I'm part of one of the program which is organized by Rubru, Agachi Bachi. Then I joined in Rubru in 2019 again as an employee. So that's how the journey has started again in 2019. He's like my mentor, inspirer, motivator, and how do I say? It's like everything. I can learn, I can enjoy, I can make fun. I'll be like me. I can find me actually.
And I really wish I wanted to do this birthday with all of the people, like all the family with Rubru. I really wish.
Hey everybody, this is Arshad Khan, and I got to know about Rubru through a social media post, particularly about Agate Baatcheet, a dialogue initiating program on interfaith. So I was also part of it, and I am a youth champion of Agate Baatcheet 2019 as well. For me, Rubru is more like a safest place to learn things. And Rubru has given me an invisible lens to see the things with the optimistic vision. Yes, according to me, Rubru should celebrate its birthday by bringing the people who are directly or indirectly related to it under a common tree shade and letting them speak about their experiences with Rubru till date.
Happy birthday, Rubru. It was Ismail where I got to know about a leadership program called Circle of Stories, and in that journey I got to know a lot about Rubru and what they work on. And Rubru is more like a family to me. You get a lot of things to learn, to explore, and to share your knowledge with. And it would be really great if the celebrations are offline, because due to COVID most of the events were online. So by following all the COVID norms and social distance, if we celebrated offline, it would be really great.